Hello everybody, this is HT Doug, and the purpose of this video today is to show you how to set up an Aquila wallet. If you're not familiar with Aquila and you're starting to get in the crypto space, I really encourage you to check us out. We are a community that got scammed and we've revived and we're taking over, and our whole mission is to help other communities that have been scammed or having a hard time getting a revival and getting traction. So we have a team that's helping them. But the point of today's video is to create a wallet and show you how to set that up, and so you can start accepting coins, buying coins, maybe creating a masternode, or even just start staking. So the thing we need to do is download a wallet. This link here will bring you to the download wallets. I do also want to mention that Discord is very active. So if you're in Discord, even if you haven't been in Discord, I encourage you to click this link and check us out. You'll come into a community like this where we have hundreds and hundreds of people. So if you're in the Discord, the other way to find the links is under official links. And it's going to look different when you come here, but our link for our wallet is in here also. And our Explorer and all that stuff. So that's all here, but let's just go back to the main website. And if you click on wallets here, that's going to take you to this. And then you're going to want to download, I'm doing Windows wallet, by the way. I'm not a Linux or a Mac, but there's definitely people in Discord that can help. But if you click on this, what that's going to do is start a download. And so that's just going to download in your computer, probably to your downloads folder, and then you just go in here and find that. So that brought up this, I forget we don't have two screens. Come in here and go to downloads, and then you can see I got a lot of Aquila stuff, but here it is, Aquila QT, and I just double click that. That's okay. No, I want to run it more info. Run anyway. I haven't got that before on this one, but it's pretty common with wallets. Alright, so here we go. It's loading up, and then this is our brand new wallet. It's open. We don't have any coins. You can see down here it says no block source available. So we do have to set this wallet up, and there is a link in the Discord to a local wallet guide. Come in here and let's find that. So, and I'll probably have a link to this down below too. Let's see, local wallet guide. Here it is, update local wallet, and this does also work for Windows. So that's going to bring you to a form that's going to give you some information on how to set this up, everything I've shown you in this video. What we're going to do is we're going to need to copy this code and put it into our wallet configuration file. So I'm copying that, go back over to the wallet down below, and then I'm going to go into Tools and open wallet configuration. And that brought up this notepad, which I had smaller before, and I copy and paste all that code I had. Now this area, you just create a password, just a random password. This is not used for anything other than just for the server itself, or the wallet itself. You don't need to know any of this. It doesn't need to match anything. The one thing I do want to make sure is see where it says staking equals 1. You want to make sure that that is on 1 and not 0. That is going to help you generate stakes. So now I file, I save this, and then I close it. Now I need to restart my wallet, so I'm going to go to File, and I'm just going to exit. Just once I save that document in there, or that code in there. So what we did is we're telling it what nodes, what mass nodes we want it to hook up to, and everything. So now I come back in here, I just restart this again, and it's going to come up. It's coming up on the other screen. There it went. And so now it's syncing, and you notice it had started to sync before, but we just want to make sure we get the right code with the staking in there and everything like that. And so now you just wait for this to sync up. I'm probably not going to wait the whole time. Well, maybe I will. I'll just let the video run. I can fast forward it for you, just to so you can see what it looks like when it's done. Some information while we're waiting for this to sync is you do want to make sure you do a backup. That's very simple. You just hit File and then Backup Wallet. And what that's going to do is create a wallet.dat file. I usually rename that. So I'll show you what I do. I usually rename it. So I'd put Aquila. For me, I'm just going to put Aquila 2. I can't spell today, since I already have another backup. And I guess you don't have to, but a lot of times I'll put the date, but the date's always saved for us. So if I hit Aquila 2, that's backed up. And so now what would happen if I lost this wallet, as long as I have that wallet.dat file, which I just called Aquila 2 file, I save that onto a thumb drive, and then if my computer crashes, I have it, I can re-download the wallet, I put that file in there, and I'll make another video in the future about how to restore a wallet. But that's how you back it up. You want to make sure you do that. The other thing you're going to want to do is probably set this up for encryption, and that you just click here. You're going to have to create a password and then repeat it. When you do that, you're going to encrypt the wallet. I'm not going to do it right now because it needs to restart the wallet in order for it to all work. And every time you do a transaction, you're going to have to do that. Things to know about wallets: if you're trying to stake, like this coin does get staking rewards, it's 30% to stakers. You want to make sure that your wallet is open and unlocked. So you can't have, I don't believe you can have it encrypt. If someone else knows if that's different, you guys want to comment below, that's great. Or if you have other ideas on better ways to do all this, I'm always open for insight. We're trying to make it easier for beginners to get involved, so give us your comments. But yeah, so you just put one password here, and then I love, you know, I love Aquila. It's a great drink, or whatever. And then you just repeat it. When you do that, if you ever lose that code, you're never going to be able to get into your wallet to get your money out on exchanges, transactions. So make sure you store it in a safe place, because you don't want anyone else to get that, and you never want to lose it. So put it in a few spots, thumb drives, in a couple spots throughout your house probably. Label it, so if your wife finds it or kids find it, they don't throw it away, things like that. So take good care of that. I write it down, I put it on thumb drive, and do various things like that. So now you can see this is all synced, so we're ready to go. Now we just need to receive some money, send some money, things like that. Another quick thing about if you're going to get into masternodes, you want to know what open coin control is. Under settings, under options, you can see your wallet here. You want this enabled, and if you're doing masternodes, you want to make sure that's enabled. That gives you the ability to choose what coins you're putting in different wallets, addresses. It's a little more advanced, but as you get going, the other thing I always like to do is just minimize this thing down to the taskbar, and that and minimize and close. When I close it, if I want this to stay open, it just goes down into the corner and not sitting down here. And if I close it, it doesn't actually turn it off. So just some things, but overall we're set up. You can see if we go into tools, network, and peers list, it found a whole bunch of peers, and we're making traffic. So our wallet is up and running right now. We just need to get some money. So let's get to it. Get to the exchange, buy some money, and set up a masternode, or just start staking. We're excited to have you guys here, and make sure you check out the website to learn more from the white paper about our vision. Join our Discord. I'll have all those links in the YouTube comments, so description. Thanks a lot. This is HT Doug, and have a wonderful crypto day.